subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Sophia and today I'm here for another video. Obviously, so the video is about a review and a skincare. Yay! Okay. So the video is about Jessica face mask. Yeah, today we're gonna test this out. How does it work? I'm gonna give you a review on that. So yeah, before that, shout out goes to these lovely peoples. Okay, if you also want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that bell icon, man. Give my all videos a thumbs up and write in the comment section that hashtag #FarSquad, FARSQUAD, FarSquad. Then you are also going to be featured in my next video. Okay, so this is like a new thing. I always give a shout out, then you like cute or all things like. But I am on now that if you are a new subscriber, write hashtag #FarSquad. Then you are also going to be featured in my next video. So yeah, everything is now sorted out. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get on the video. So this face mask, okay, so first we're gonna apply it on our face, then we're gonna do everything. Okay, so when you open it, this is like this is, and then when you totally open it, this is something like this. It's a little wet, but it's not that wet. Okay, yeah. So I just take the second rose water and just spray 1, 2 or 3 like sprays on it because it's already wet. Like so amazing, it's like bubbly and I am in love with it. So amazing, it's like it's super apply like this, and this will take up to 15 hours. Oh, 15 hours? This will take up to 15 minutes to dry until. So if it's drying, I am like, I use my cell phone or I write something in my diary which is like important for me, which is like what I have to write because of the shooting, because I'm doing it where I'm standing. Okay, so please know that. So when it dries, it looks something like this. I wish you guys can see the glow it gives me. Oh my god, I'm blowing. And you have to wash it with lukewarm water. Wish you guys can see the glow it has given to my skin. Oh my god, I'm blowing it. And you're washing it like this, like you're applying splashing water. You have to do like this massage. You have to massage your skin like this, like I'm washing because I don't have a perfect camera setup for that time, but near my sink I don't have a setup, so that's why I just wash it. I'm telling you how to wash it. Okay, so keep that in your mind. Okay, I apply my rose water and do like moisturize and okay. I just love applying rose water as it is my life. So let me give you a quick review on that. So it is a deep whitening mask. It is, I guess. It removes all of the dirt from your face and you have to apply it once in a week because this was in a facial pack. Like I haven't bought the facial pack. I was like, I need a mask, and I went to the shop, cosmetic shops, and they said that we have this facial pack. We have sold everything, just this mask and the exfoliator. Yeah, exfoliator is remaining, so take this mask. I was like, okay. I was like, does it work? Does it really work? They were like, yeah, it really works, and I'm shocked. It really works for my skin. And okay, so this is like skin cell renewal, collagen production, exfoliation of the skin, evens skin tone. Yeah, your skin tone is like a little lighter than it is. It gives you a really natural glow. This is like a thumbs up. And here is written, the deep whitening mask is an innovative formula that lightens skin pigmentation. This formula is blended with kojic acid to brighten complexion, glycolic acid to loosen dead cell, Fennic active to whitening and bring shine. Okay, so It is all written, and this suits all skin types, and this helps you in removing the dark spots, acne scarring, and all sort of things, like all blemishes and all of that. This works. I don't know because I don't have any pimple, any blemish, anything, so I can't say anything. Okay. So you can use it for 24 months. Oh, it's written so smallly. Okay, so yeah. So the packaging is like, oh look, because it's a facial pack, so what we can expect from this. So yeah, thumbs up for it. I am really in love with it. You should try it. Wherever you find this, go and just grab it. And this was like something, it was like in 450, I got it in 450 or 300. I actually don't remember because this is a really expensive like facial kit. So yeah, I guess it was like 400 something. I actually don't remember that perfectly. So yeah, I think guys should get it. As you guys can see, my skin is like really so glowy, and like it's amazing. It exfoliates your skin. Actually, yeah, it do. Like you have to just massage it and you're feeling so good. It's like a face wash, but no, you have to use it once in a week. Yeah, remember that. Always. Yeah, okay, that was it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This video was helpful to you. So if you did, make sure subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the bell icon and give this video a big thumbs up. Why are you not sharing this video? Go and share with your friends and family so that they can also come to my channel and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, bye bye, take care, stay blessed.